There are 5 major mistakes you make while trading Forex, and that is why you lose money. And those 5 major mistakes are: 1. Not making enough research. 2. Failing to plan or trading without a plan. 3. Thinking trading is always a win-win-win situation. 4. Lack of discipline or being too emotional. 5. Not taking profits and not setting a stop loss. Now, if you would love to know how to avoid these mistakes and make your Forex trading journey a successful one, I will recommend you stick with me till the end of this video. And if you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is lucrative. And without talking much, let's do this. Now, the first mistake, which is not making enough research. And by the way, I use Forex for you, okay? Now, when you are on a Forex trading platform, the first thing you're going to do even before you create an account is look at their websites, check how many years they've been in the game, okay? How long they've been in the game. People like Forex for you have been in the game for like 15 years. You get more than 15 years of experience, okay? Broker of the year is here, 2021, okay? Just make research about them and make sure that they are legit. You can see 2007, 2023, more than 15 years. Now, apart from how long they've been in the game, make a research about their deposit and withdrawal options, okay? How they deposit, how they withdraw. You can see everything. If you click on see all, you will see all the options, their deposit and withdrawal system, the minimum deposit and the maximum deposit. Now, if you come to this place, a place like education, okay, you will see an overview, you get what I mean, of how they work. You can even see analytics, okay? You can see trading school, video tutorials, promotions. You can see free auto chat lists and free news and signals. So even there is phone number here for you, their phone number here for you to contact and ask them any questions. So it's good that when you are, before you even start your Forex trading journey, okay, you should make proper research. Make proper research, understand if you can withdraw your money anytime, how you are able to trade. You know, look at they have the mobile, the MetaTrader 4, the web trader, the desktop trader, okay? So that's why I love using Forex for you guys. So make sure the platform you are using, okay, is optimized for any means of deposits and withdrawals that you want to use, or any other thing that you feel that is extremely important for you in your trading journey, okay? Now, the second thing is failing to plan or trading without a plan. Now, when you want to trade, this is the MetaTrader 4 platform, and you tell yourself, I want to trade today, and you just wake up and say, I want to trade $1,000, and you just start trading from morning to evening, just keep trading randomly. Yes, it's not totally a bad idea. Some people do it and they still succeed in that, but it's good that when you wake up and you tell yourself, I have $1,000, okay, I want to trade with about 10 to 20% of this money. Okay, you now say, okay, let me bring 10% of 1,000 is $100. Okay, you can tell yourself today that I want to trade just for 10 times, and these 10 times I'm going to trade 3 times in the morning, 3 times in the afternoon, and in the evening I'll trade 3 times. If you don't have time and you are going out, you can tell yourself, I can place 5 trades in the morning, and in the evening I will place another trade. You get what I mean? Now, it all depends on the one that is very convenient for you. Some people can still try to place all their trades in the morning, but always have a plan and try as much as you can not to digress from that plan. If peradventure the trade didn't go your way and you are not really happy with the result you are seeing, just know that it's not a very good day in trading. You learn and then you move on. Okay, allow your plans, go with your plan consistently for about 3 months, 6 months, and that is when you can confidently tell yourself, okay, I think I have to change another plan if the first one is not working. Okay, when you stick to your plan consistently, you're going to see yourself making profit, other than just waking up, trade, then go out, come again, trade, or when you see any signal you trade. That is not a good way to win in trade. Now, the third one is thinking is always a win-win-win situation. Now, I want to let you know that there is no successful Forex trader who has not lost money in one way or the other. Okay, now there are some days you wake up and you do all your analytics and all your studies properly, everything you need to do, and still it's as if the trade is not working for you. You have to realize that it is part of the game. That is why when you're doing Forex trading, you do not put all your money inside. You do not just put all the money you have inside, bring out like 10 or 20% of your total revenue, and then you can place your trade. And remember that the day you don't win, know that it is still part of the game, and there are other days that you still have your win coming. But when you are successful, you know that your wins will always outgrow or be bigger than your losses. The fourth one is lack of discipline or being too emotional. Now I want to let you know something. When you are doing forex trading and you lose money, there is this tendency of trading more so that you can be able to bounce back and make that money back. It is just like the human instinct of trying to revenge. I want you to remove that revenge. Successful traders don't trade with the intention to revenge or make their money back instantly. When they are trading, they tell themselves the target for this month is to make at least $1,000. Okay, and when you tell yourself you want to make $1,000 in a month, it doesn't matter when you make that $1,000 in the first day of the month or in the last day of the month, or if you make it consistently. A lot of people, once they lose money, gets worked up, and what they want to do is to put in more money and make sure they revenge and take them. Once you get emotional that way, that is even when the bigger loss is coming. So please refrain from that, and know that if you lose money, that tomorrow or the next day you may just have to close the trade, go back to your drawing board, and then try trading again after a little while or after some time. Then the last one, which is very important too, just like the other ones, is not taking profit and not setting a stop loss. Now listen, when you come to Forex for You, okay, I love using Forex for You and they're just wonderful. This is the Forex for You this is the Forex for You desktop trader, and when you open it, okay, when you open the Forex for You desktop trader, just like I've done now, first thing you have to do is to come here and you click on log into trader account. Okay, I've already signed in, and when you are logged in and you want to place a new trader, you click on new order. Okay, you will see a window displayed. Now this window will give you an option to stop loss and take profit. Okay, yeah, the volume is here, market execution, pending. You can use pending order. I made a tutorial, a complete video on how you can set all these parameters, and I want to still let you know that you must not set all these parameters by yourself. Some people still prefer using signals or copy trading. Some people can still copy trade, professional traders, or you can use signals, or if you are confident in yourself, you can still set the parameters yourself and then always trade very small amount first. Now note that when you don't set a stop loss, okay, no matter how confident you are and you don't set a stop loss, and the trade is going your way and you are winning and you are making profit, and something happens and the trade starts going the opposite way, you may as well lose all the money that you made, okay, and even lose your profit if you do not set a stop loss. That's why when you are making your profit, you can set your stop loss a little bit, like 10 pips below that. Once it goes 10 pips, or once it goes lower than a particular price, please close the trade and let me stop there. Okay, and then same thing as take profit. Your profit might not be infinitesimal. Okay, the market can get, when you are making the profit, can get to the apex or the peak of the profit, and it may start declining, and if you've not taken profits, you lose out on that too. Yeah, some people still say it's not good for you to take profit too early. Yes, I know that, but not setting your take profits or your stop loss is too risky, okay, for me. Some people still stay and watch it, and they watch it, just stay day trading. It all boils down to what works for you. But even if you are not setting a take profit and you still want to be watching it and then take the profit manually yourself, please do set a stop loss, because there can be a rapid fall, okay, in the price of a stock that you are trading, or the commodity that you are trading, or anything that you are trading. Okay, so that's what I have to say for this video, guys. So avoid these 5 mistakes and you will see yourself making or becoming a more successful trader in the long run. Thank you for watching till this point. If you enjoyed this one, leave a like. If you don't enjoy this one, smash dislike 2 times and tell me why in the comment section. And please share my video on social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and other social media platforms, so that other people too can gain true value from the videos that I share online. And as you already know, trading Forex involves some significant risks to your invested capital. An asset may diminish in value or may be lost totally if you do not understand the Forex market, or if you do not understand what you are doing. Thanks once more for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next one. Peace.